Breakfast and brunch just got better. We're using processed potatoes. That's right, America's favorite vegetable in the form of frozen tater barrels in this incredible breakfast frittata. Using these processed products is gonna help save you time and help you get on your day that much faster. I'm Chef RJ Harvey. Not only am I a certified executive chef, but I'm also a registered dietitian. Let's go ahead and get into the ingredients for this incredible breakfast/brunch potato frittata. This recipe comes together super quick. And we're gonna start off with just a little non-stick spray into our non-stick pan. And we're gonna be utilizing frozen processed potatoes today. Processed potatoes and processed foods in general get a really bad rap. It's a great way to lock in nutrients. It's a great way to seal in wonderful flavor, but at the same time, it saves you a lot of time in the kitchen. A lot of processed products are already cooked, so that reduces the amount of cook time that you have in the kitchen. These potatoes are gonna go right into the pan. And then from there, we're gonna season them up, really boosting the flavor that much more. So we're gonna add in some chopped rosemary and just sprinkle that all over the top. We've got that chopped fresh thyme, and you can use dried herbs. There's nothing wrong with that. Just be sure that you reduce the amount because dried herbs tend to be a lot stronger than fresh herbs. We're gonna season these with some salt, as well as some freshly ground black pepper. So now that these wonderful time-saving potatoes are in the pan, let's move on to our eggs. We're gonna start off by adding our fat-free half and half into our eggs. And we're gonna give these guys a nice whisk until everything is well incorporated. From there, we simply pour our eggs over the top of all of our frozen tater barrels. Using a non-stick spatula, we're just gonna kind of gently maneuver the eggs so that they settle into the bottom of the pan. And now we're gonna add in those roasted tomatoes. And this is a great way, combined with those frozen potatoes and the eggs, to get a really nice, well-balanced meal. All that's left is to bake our wonderful frittata. Our frittata is out of the oven. We're gonna go ahead and add on our Fontina cheese. Scatter it all over the top here. And then from there, it's back in the oven. So now that our frittata is out of the oven and it's all bubbly and the cheese is all gooey, we actually want to allow that time to set. While that's resting, what we want to do is actually prepare a little garnish salad with that. And as we're starting to talk about our greens, I do want to revisit the fact that we're using processed foods in this recipe. Contrary to popular belief, processed foods can actually be very helpful for you. Not only do processed foods trap in all of the wonderful nutrition, but they also trap in that flavor, and they lead to food security and sustainable food systems. So that's all extremely important. We should never dismiss processed foods as being less healthful than other foods. Into these mixed greens, what we want to do is we want to add in a fresh squeeze of some lemon, a drizzle of some olive oil, and this is a perfect time to use extra virgin olive oil for all those wonderful healthy fats. A little bit of fresh sea salt, and just give this a quick little toss. And we're just gonna put a nice little mound of these onto the plate. And then carefully move it over to our plate. And there you have it, a quick and easy potato frittata with a lovely mixed green salad. For more great recipes like this, and lots of inspiration on how to use potatoes of all formats, visit potatogoodness.com.